Mabatean mo ko? Can you hear me? Let's go, got girl. Let's go selling some taho. Upstairs. Ay, nasa na ang aking got girl? Oh, tara, got girl. Let's go selling. You lead the way, my got girl. Yards. Okay. Na stairs pa, akyat. Yadi. Dito ako, CR. Let's go, selling. Pati sa CR, nagbi-business. Bakit? May klase.
They're nursing. I don't know. Yeah.
Guys, snack recess na guys. Magtaho ka mo. May baligya kami ni got girl.
Yung taho.
5 pesos lang.
But I don't have money.
Nan. Pati ako wala money. Bakit?
Palibre. Kasi wala kami pera eh.
Sino to 100? Grabe kasi rin magbenta ka ng taho ng 100.
Sabi naman, may gold po ba yung tahong?
5 pesos lang yan. Grabe has inflation. Donate lang guys. Donate lang guys.
How to donate po?
Actually, I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Ibebenta lang. I don't know how I think someone was able to transfer some money to me. I don't know how.
Pero, I use BGC.
Iutang mo na lang sis ah. Sige lang.
Tapos sa BGC, sa Boracay.
Nan. GC si ate. Boracay ka girl. Let's go, Boracay girl. Cindy.
Kaya pala ko yung nagtataho.
Amo na gani. Let's go.
Sorry.
Sino na sa iyo nga shirt?
Oh my God! Sa taas.
Is that you?
Another room.
Next classroom, may nabenta ka gat girl. Yan ang business girl. Ngita tag. Guys, baka lang mo. Nasa na aking got girl? Ayan, si got girl Serene. Let's go. Sir, pili ka na sir. Sir. They gonna kiss. 5 pesos lang, sir. 5 pesos lang. Ano kang level, gani? Wait lang. Level 19. Sir, paano ni gani? How do you pay someone ko, no? Kaya they were asking, baligya, hindi ka ba paano magbayad? Paano mag-take payment? Ano? Credit card, pwede man. Ay, do you know, sir? Do you know the way? Hala, di na akong got girl. Ay, di kita makita. You're so short, baby. Click, mahawak ko. Ha? Balik ako. Balik ka? Malive ka, te? Add na lang ta kami. I don't wanna lose my got girl. Anong ganit name mo? Ayan, sige na. Pwede ka na ka-go girl. Gina-add na ta ka. Accept. Classroom. Okay. Te, i-click ko da? Makakwarta ko, i-click ko na? Ha? Makakwarta ko, i-click ko na? Will I get money if I click that? Hindi ko ka-donate. Wala ko awards. Wala ko money. I wanna know how to take payments ba? Sir, need mo nito. Hindi. Kinagbaligya ko bala taho. I'm selling taho. Tapos they want group sa mismong game. Pipindutin nila. Okay. Ba't pag pinipindot ko, ha? Ulit. Ayan, oh. Paano wala? Dahil ba may dala ako? Wait lang. Paano ibaba ko nga to? Ayan. Kaya hindi ko mag-click kasi may dala ako. Paano to? Wala na akong pera. Next time, sir, babe, ma-hustle muna. Hala, nasan yung taho ko? Someone stole my business. Did someone steal my business? Sir, someone stole my business. We need to report this to the police. Join ka na para ma-upgrade mo na taho mo. Let's go! Sige, mag-leave muna ako. Nawala ang aking got girl. Mag-go, guys. Nawala si got girl ko.